look at me and my husband. I congeal urge. It's not there. It doesn't exist. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the way I was created. I don't know, but it's not. It's not a thing where I just wanna. We're chilling at home eating popcorn, and I want to post that on my stories. No, I'm just chilling, having popcorn with my husband, and we're having our moments, and that's that. I am very much a my husband girly. Ever since the Jade was official, I'm like, oh, my husband this, and everyone goes, does he not have a name anymore? I'm like, no. What we do intentionally is we just will not do interviews together.
Yes.
It's like, no. Do you want?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Mode Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mzansi drags Jessica Nkosi ngemva kokuthi abe ku-interview, and she spoke about kungakhoni kubrega ngemuntu wakhe because vele akanako lokho. Uthi akanaso isikhathi sokuposta ama-pictures athi look at me and my husband. Uthi njena lokho vele akukho kuye akakwendi, and people are like ayibokeli musukuzenza ngcono lana because you know ukuthi why ungamposti umuntu wakho, why ungabreki ngemuntu wakho. So uJessica Nkosi is in a relationship with TKDlamini. Libe smart kakhulu ngamastermind laphana ku SABC1 ku-Uzalo, and they have 2 kids together. And people are saying ukuthi the reason why ungampost it's because uGuy uyi-serial cheater ke sana, bekakuchithela ngisho pregnant. uGuy udidlalela ngawo, uGuy udithanzela njena abantwana. That's the only reason why you're not bragging and not posting him. Akusiwo ukuthi wena ukhona, kukuthi vele uyamati kokuthi ulihlazo ke sana njena. Ngekela nje kutenda lo ngqono lana, ngazuthi wena ubrag, ngazuthi wena awubukisi, ngazuthi wena ufaki relationship yakho out there. Kukuthi vele umjida uyamati vele kukuthi ungibafatini yo guys. One thing about bantu bakuma social media, they call a spade ke sana. Bamtshela ngqoko girl ukuthi hayibo girl akusiko lokho, kungenqa yokuthi uGuy unje. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.